Yo, what's up Kasquami? How are you? How's your day? I hope you're having a good one. Let's do damage test for Blacksmith. Auto attack and cart revo build. I know you won't see high damage popping up, but I want to be realistic. I want to show the actual base damage with common equips at level 50. So let's go. Equipments and gears. Equipments and gears. For equipment and gears, we will use level 50 blue gears that can be crafted easily from equipment and PC. Again, you can get to Nava's Ring as you complete quest and finish Dungeon Book 1. We will also use the free costume we get in-game through quest. We will also remove pets because we get some percentage of stats if pets are deployed. Damage test. Let's start the damage test. Sheesh. For stats, let's go with the recommended strength, agility, and some dexterity. And for tier 1 skill set, this is what I use. For tier 2 power thrust level 5, weapon perfection level 2, adrenaline rush level 5, weapon research level 2. Let's try normal attack first. Again, I am using the hand axe weapon. Now let's switch weapon to one hand axe and shield.
Be polite when making new friends. Don't hesitate to punch some faces when you are bullied.
Now let's try AoE cart revo with the hand axe.
power isn't for rookies to explore. It's not just something made up by grown-up humans to scare the little ones. You're bleeding! Quickly, down a potion!
One hand axe this time.
The Great Sage Farmhound is old enough to be everyone's great-great-grandpa, and that airships are...
Let's try to add some HP with this stats 10 dex, 30 vit, all points to strength. Let's go and do some test damage with this stat sheesh. Current weapon I'm using is one hand axe.
Do you know who spoils the little ones the most? Oops! You don't believe me? I dare you to go slap a baby orb.
Now let's switch our weapon to the hand axe.
Why do I change my look every day? To remain cool, of course! You can do so by changing your appearance and wardrobe.
And I think that's it, guys. Same thing. I hope this provides some insights about the damage for this class using basic gears. And if you watched this video up until now, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Enjoy playing Ragnarok Origin Global. Till my next video, always stay safe. Okay, bye!
Sinimulan ko tong walang naniniwala sa paligid ko. Eh ano